Hello, this video shows you how to make a recording of a data story and publish that recording using Zoom. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So here you can see that I'm in my Zoom room. You can see the share screen button and the record. We'll be using those. The web camera is not actually hooked up inside of Zoom here because I'm using it to make this recording for you. But you're going to want to go ahead and start your video so that we can see an image of your face when you're presenting your story. Okay, let's go ahead and share screen is the first thing I'm going to need to do. And I'm going to share my entire screen here inside of Zoom. That allows me to show you the Flourish data story that I have that I'm going to be using for my recording. Okay, so now that I have my data story on the screen, I'm ready to start the recording of my data story. So inside of Zoom, what I need to do that is to, under the More tab here, I'm going to select Record to the Cloud. I'm going to want to select Record to the Cloud because then the recording automatically gets pushed up to my MediaSpace account. If you say record on this computer, then you will need to take that video and move it to either MediaSpace or YouTube so that it can be shared out. I'm going to select the easier option of just having this automatically record to the cloud. So let's go ahead and select that. And now the recording is starting inside of Zoom. So now I can go ahead and start talking about my data story. So I might just talk about what I see here on this first graph, any annotations or descriptions. I have a second slide that I would talk through. Okay, so now let's suppose that I'm done with my data story and I'm ready to stop the recording. All I need to do is go under More and say Stop Recording. It's going to ask you, would you like to receive an email notification when the cloud recording is ready for you? You're going to want to say yes to this because that is where you get sent the link to your video. So we'll say yes here. Okay, so now that video has been created and it is being uploaded to your MediaSpace account. So now we can stop sharing. We can log out of Zoom if I would like. So let's end the meeting here. And now I just need to be patient for a few minutes for that video to get uploaded and that email will get sent. So I'm going to go ahead and hit pause here on the video and I will be back when the email arrives in my account. So we'll see you in just a minute or two. Okay, so after a few minutes, I received an email from Zoom and it contains two links in it. This first link can only be used by the host, so we're not going to want to use this first link, but we're going to want to use the second link here. This can be shared with viewers, so I will highlight that link. And that is the one that I would put into my homework assignment and submit to me so that I can actually see your video. There was a second email that was sent by Zoom, and this one, it looks like it says that an audio transcript is included. That is not necessary to use the audio transcript. You can just use the link that was provided in the first email that was sent by Zoom. Okay, I hope that helps in understanding how to use Zoom to record and publish your data story. Thank you. Have a good day.